video is about International Day for the Preservation of Ozone Layer. United Nations General Assembly designates 16 September as the International Day for the Preservation of the Ozone Layer. On 16 September 1987, Montreal Protocol on Substances that Deplete the Ozone Layer was signed by the Assembly. Montreal Protocol is an international treaty designed to protect the ozone layer by phasing out the production of numerous substances that are responsible for ozone depletion. The main cause of ozone depletion and the ozone hole is manufactured chemicals, specially manufactured halocarbon refrigerants, solvents, propellants, and foam-blowing agents, chlorofluorocarbons, hydrochlorofluorocarbons, halons, referred to as ozone depleting substances. Ozone depletion and the ozone hole have generated worldwide concern over increased cancer risk and other negative effects. The ozone layer prevents most harmful wavelengths of ultraviolet light from passing through the Earth's atmosphere. These wavelengths cause skin cancer, sunburn, permanent blindness, and cataracts, which were increased dramatically as a result of thinning of ozone layer. These are harming plants and animals as well. These concerns led to the adoption of the Montreal Protocol in 1987, which bans the production of CFCs, halons, and other ozone depleting chemicals. The Montreal Protocol is considered the most successful international environmental agreement to date.